If you're passionate about gardening and want a premium greenhouse that combines durability, functionality, and elegant design, the Backyard Discovery Bellerose XL 13 feet by 11 feet walk-in greenhouse kit is one of the most impressive options available. More than just a place to grow plants, this greenhouse is designed as a complete outdoor gardening workspace, featuring a spacious interior, integrated ventilation, built-in shelving, electrical outlets, hose connections, and even an attached pergola. Whether you're growing vegetables year-round, nurturing seedlings, or creating your dream backyard garden, the Bellerose XL offers professional-level features in a beautifully crafted package. One of the first things you'll notice is the greenhouse's premium construction. Built from 100% cedar wood, the frame offers exceptional strength while naturally resisting decay, insects, and outdoor weather. Cedar is one of the most desirable materials for outdoor structures because it remains attractive over time with minimal maintenance. The warm light brown finish also gives the greenhouse a timeless appearance that blends beautifully into gardens, patios, and landscape backyards. The roof and wall panels are constructed from commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate, providing significantly better insulation than standard double-wall greenhouse panels. According to Backyard Discovery, these panels improve heat retention by approximately 30%, helping maintain a more stable growing environment throughout the year. This improved insulation makes it easier to extend growing seasons and protect sensitive plants during colder months. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Bellerose XL is its outstanding weather resistance. The structure has been ProTech tested to withstand up to 30 inches of snow, equivalent to approximately 9,200 pounds of snow load, while also handling wind speeds up to 100 miles per hour when properly anchored according to the manufacturer's instructions. These ratings provide confidence for homeowners living in regions with challenging weather conditions. Inside, the greenhouse offers an impressive 143 square feet of usable growing space. The generous walk-in layout leaves plenty of room to move around comfortably while working with large planters, raised beds, or even wheelbarrows. This extra space allows gardeners to organize their plants efficiently without feeling cramped, making everyday gardening much more enjoyable. Storage and organization are another major strength. The built-in workstation includes 33 linear feet of lower staging shelves, 15 feet of upper shelving, and 8 hanging plant hooks. Whether you're storing pots, seed trays, gardening tools, fertilizers, or displaying hanging baskets, the greenhouse provides excellent organization without requiring additional furniture. Temperature control is essential for healthy plants, and Backyard Discovery has equipped the Bellerose XL with an excellent ventilation system. A temperature-activated exhaust fan automatically helps regulate airflow when interior temperatures rise, while 2 easy-open windows promote natural ventilation and encourage pollination. Together, these features create a healthier growing environment by reducing excessive heat and humidity during warmer months. Convenience is another area where this greenhouse truly shines. The included power port provides 3 electrical outlets and 3 USB ports, allowing you to connect grow lights, fans, seedling heat mats, phone chargers, or other gardening equipment without running extension cord across your yard. While an external power source is still required, having built-in outlets dramatically improves functionality. Watering plants is equally convenient thanks to both interior and exterior hose hookups. Backyard Discovery even includes an interior hose, making it easier to water plants throughout the greenhouse without dragging hoses across the floor. It's one of those thoughtful details that makes everyday gardening more enjoyable. The attached pergola sets this greenhouse apart from most competitors. Beyond adding architectural beauty, the pergola creates additional outdoor space for climbing vines, decorative lighting, hanging baskets, or simply relaxing after tending your garden. It transforms the greenhouse from a purely functional structure into an attractive focal point for your entire backyard. Assembly is naturally more involved than smaller greenhouse kits, but Backyard Discovery has made the process easier with pre-cut, pre-drilled, and pre-stained components. The interactive BLT app provides step-by-step instructions, helping builders visualize each stage of construction more clearly than traditional paper manuals. Real-world customer feedback strongly supports the product's quality. One homeowner from northern Idaho reported that the greenhouse successfully maintained enough warmth to grow fresh greens throughout the entire winter. Although assembly took approximately 1 week with help from a family member, they praised the thoughtful design and overall performance. Another reviewer, a professional carpenter with 25 years of experience, described the greenhouse as beautifully engineered and exceptionally well built. While the installation required between 30 and 40 hours, they emphasized that the instructions were easy to follow and concluded that the greenhouse was absolutely worth the investment. Of course, there are a few considerations before purchasing. The greenhouse is a substantial structure weighing over 640 kilograms, requiring a properly prepared foundation and adequate outdoor space. Assembly also demands patience and careful attention to detail. However, these are expected trade-offs for a premium permanent-style greenhouse packed with professional features. Overall, the Backyard Discovery Bellerose XL walk-in greenhouse kit is an outstanding investment for serious gardeners who want much more than a basic greenhouse. Its durable cedar construction, highly insulated polycarbonate panels, automatic ventilation, built-in shelving, power-port electrical system, convenient hose connections, spacious interior, and attractive pergola combine to create one of the most complete greenhouse solutions currently available. If you're ready to take your gardening to the next level while adding lasting beauty to your backyard, the Bellerose XL is an exceptional choice that delivers impressive performance year after year.